Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. Now the right one. Now, select new ear tip size, I'm going of course with this one, and then attach it. And, of course, the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!